Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. X square negative kx positive k negative 6 equals to 0. In the equation above, k is a constant and a and b are the solutions to the equation. If a positive b equals to 12, what is the value of a times b? Okay, here we have a quadratic equation standard form. Before we start solving this problem, let's understand some stuff about quadratic equation. Okay, now let me consider a quadratic equation standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Okay, when we have a quadratic equation standard form, that is like this one, so there is a formula to get sum of the solutions and also the product of the solutions. Let me write the stuff over here. The formula to get sum of the solutions, what we have to do is we have to take negative sign and consider the coefficient of x. In this case, it's b, and it has to be divided by the coefficient of x square. In this case, it's a. So this is a formula to get sum of the solutions, and let me write the formula to get product of the solutions. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. Product of the solutions is equal to, we have to divide the constant term c by the coefficient of x, that is a. Okay, now let's consider the given quadratic equation. Actually, this is standard form. Let me write it over here. X square negative kx positive k negative 6 equals to 0. So here this k negative 6 should be considered as a constant term. That is the value of c over here. So now actually we have this quadratic equation in standard form, exactly in this form, ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, and also for this quadratic equation, the two solutions are a and b. Let me write it. Okay, now let's get the sum of the two solutions. That is a positive b. So the formula is negative b over a. Negative b over a means negative. So this b is the coefficient of x and this a is the coefficient of x square. So let's write a negative sign first, and let's take the coefficient of x, that is a negative k, and now it has to be divided by the coefficient of x square. In this case, it's just 1. Okay, here negative times negative will become positive, and we get k divided by 1 is just k. Okay, here I got the value of a positive b, that is equal to k. Now let's get the product of the two solutions, a and b, that is a times b, equals to, the formula is c over a. C means the constant term in the quadratic equation. A is the coefficient of x square. Okay, in our quadratic equation, the constant term is k negative 6 and the coefficient of x square is just 1. K negative 6 divided by 1 is still we get k negative 6. Okay, here we got the value of a positive b, that is k, but already we have the value of a positive b in the question, that is 12. Since the a positive b equals to 12 over here and a positive b equals to k over here, this k and this 12 must be equal. So we get we get the value of k, that is k equals to 12. Okay, our aim is to get the value of AB. Already we got the value of AB in terms of k, that is k negative 6. Now to get the exact value of A times B, we have to plug in this 12 for k over here. Then I'm getting 12 negative 6, that is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of AB is 6.